Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Bombay duck or Bombil is a hot favorite in Bombay and across Maharashtra. But it's also loved here in Goa. And it's a hot favorite in most Goan restaurants. And we have our own special way of preparing it. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Goan Bombay duck or Bombil curry. We'll show you how to clean the fish and cook it into a delicious Goan-style curry. This dish combines the soft, melt-in-your-mouth texture of Bombil fish with a tangy and mildly spiced curry that pairs beautifully with hot rice. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious Goan-style Bombil or Bombay Duck Curry. Step 1. Cleaning and preparing the fish. We've taken 5 Bombay ducks, also called Bombil, weighing around 500 grams. Make sure to select the big Bombay ducks like we have done. Cut off the tail, fins and stomach area. Also cut off the portion at the end of the stomach. Cut off the head, big fin and then the small fin near the tail. Also remove the scales with the help of a knife. Remove all the waste from inside the stomach. Similarly, clean the remaining fish. Clean and wash the Bombay ducks thoroughly, then cut each bombil into 3 pieces. Place the cut pieces of fish in a bowl. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Add 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Mix gently so that the fish is properly marinated. Once done, cover and keep it aside for 20 minutes while you prepare the masala. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients for the curry paste. Take 1-inch ball of tamarind in a bowl. Add half cup of warm water and keep it aside. Take 1 Kashmiri red chili. Break it into small pieces. Take 3 medium-sized green chilies. Cut it into small pieces. Half-inch piece of ginger. Cut it into small pieces. Take 10 medium garlic cloves. Cut it into small pieces. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. 15 black peppercorns. Half-inch stick of cinnamon. 6 cloves. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Ingredients for cooking. 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. 1 medium tomato, finely chopped. 1 medium green chili, cut into half and then slit. 1/4 cup of chopped fresh coriander leaves. Half teaspoon of sugarcane jaggery or sugar. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the curry paste. In a mixer or grinder jar, add the soaked tamarind along with the water. Then add the coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, cinnamon sticks, cloves, green chilies, Kashmiri red chili, cut garlic pieces, cut ginger pieces. Also add the turmeric or haldi powder. Grind into a smooth paste. Our curry paste is ready. This aromatic paste will form the base of our curry. Rinse the jar with 1/4 cup of water and keep it aside. We'll add this after frying the masala. Step 4. Preparing the Bombil or Bombay Duck Curry. Add 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan placed on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the 2 chopped onions and saute on medium heat until they turn golden brown. Once the onions turn golden brown, add 1 chopped tomato and cook until soft.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Stir in the ground curry paste and fry for 4 to 5 minutes until the masala releases its aroma and you see some oil beginning to separate. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. At this stage, add the rinsed masala water from the mixer jar and stir it in. Now add 1 cup of water. Also add half teaspoon of sugarcane jaggery. Stir everything nicely. Add the salt. Stir everything nicely. Add another half cup of water. Mix well. Cover and cook for around 8 to 10 minutes. Bring the curry to a boil. Stir everything nicely. After 8 to 10 minutes, lower the flame to medium-low and gently place the marinated bombil pieces into the curry. Remember, bombil is a very delicate fish, so avoid stirring once it's in the gravy. Instead, lift and tilt the pan gently to move the curry around as if you're swirling the curry in the pan. Now add the cut green chili. Check for salt and add if required. Cook for just 2 to 3 minutes until the fish is cooked and has absorbed the flavors. Do not overcook it, otherwise the bombil will break. Finally, add 1/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves and give the curry a light swirl. Our delicious Goan Bombay Duck Curry is ready. The curry is rich, tangy and fragrant with just the right warmth of spices. The bombil fish is soft and tender, almost melting in your mouth. This isn't just another fish curry. It's a delicious and comforting fish curry that makes you want to enjoy every spoonful with steaming hot rice. If you enjoyed this curry, do share it with your friends and family members. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.